Hey guys, if your Rockstar Games Launcher just won't open or it keeps freezing on startup, here's a fast way to get it working again. So first, simply try running it as an administrator. So to do this, simply right-click the launcher and hit Run as Administrator. If it still doesn't launch, try opening the Task Manager and close anything related to Rockstar or Social Club. Then try opening it once again. Now, another really common fix is clearing the launcher cache. So simply press Windows plus R at the same time, then type in %local updater %. And once you do this, you can then open the Rockstar Games folder, then delete the launcher cache files. Don't worry, they're gonna recreate themselves automatically. Now, you can also make sure the Social Club is installed properly. If it's corrupted, reinstalling it may actually fix the launcher not opening. And before you test it again, simply check that your system time and dates are correct, because Rockstar apps weirdly refuse to open when they are off. And finally, update your GPU driver and install any pending Windows updates. Seriously, the launcher really depends on a few system components being up to date. And after doing these steps, the Rockstar Games Launcher should open normally without getting stuck. So I really hope these tips worked for you, and if they do, don't forget to leave a like, and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.